Hello and welcome to the Roxburghe Group Vehicle Showcase. Today we're showcasing this Toyota CHR hybrid on a 2018 plate, jet black, really nice. Easily get over 70 miles per gallon with this car, being a hybrid. It's got alloy wheels, 5-door, just a beautiful, beautiful looking car, and very, very popular cars here at Roxburghe. These cars do not hang around very long when they come in. As you can see, you've got a really generous sized boot there. Also, the shelf has just slipped off. Back into place. There we go. And the rear seats do fold as well to provide additional space as and when required. Got the door handles just concealed in the windows there, really cool. Lots and lots of space inside this car, as you can see. Lots of leg room and headroom for your rear passengers. It's got electric windows, front and rear. As we come into the front again, acres of space, really nice, comfortable, fully adjustable seating there. On back a little so you can see a bit better. Really nice. Bring it back around to the front. As you can see, it's got parking sensors, front and rear. Indicators on the wing mirrors. This is keyless entry. Got multifunction steering wheel, and this car has done 41,159 miles. We'll start her up. Just push button start. And that's it, the car is started. It's running in electric mode at the moment. The engine may kick in a bit to put some juice into the battery. As you can see, you've got an armrest with some storage space just there. Just going to drop those blowers down a little bit so you can hear better. You've got a cup holder here and one further up. You've got your automatic gearbox, parking brake, moving up into your climate control air conditioning, and this car has got heated seats as well. It just gets better and better. Up into your digital display, which has got DAB radio. Just turn that down. There we go. Really, really responsive, easy to use touchscreen as well. You've also got satellite navigation there as well. Just fantastic, loads of options on this car. And you've got a reverse camera as well with your parking sensors, which are front and rear. So yeah, just really, really nice this. Ideal if you want something economical and luxurious to drive. It's just got it all. So, if you are interested in this vehicle, or any of our vehicles at Roxburghe, you can always visit our website, or just give us a call today. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.